Well, hello there. Long time no vlog. We are up near Kamloops, heading for on the Canada Day long weekend to go check out Greenstone Fire Tower, and
That's
then
right.
and then also camp um, for the night tonight. This is up near Kamloops, like I said. So come along with us. So far, very different terrain than what
I'm like,
very different terrain than what we're used to down on the coast or even on the sea to sky and all of that. So let's see how it
it's a
goes.
lot more flat here. Like we're already high up, so I don't think there's too much up to go. It's not like we're gonna gain lots of elevation from here, just because we're already kind of in the mountains, being in Kamloops, and like we're only 15 minutes
East.
east,
No, west.
west, yeah, west of Kamloops. So we actually went up the hill a little bit, and then from there. Then we went east a little bit, I think, and then so we're basically just like up from Kamloops, so we're already kind of high up. So it's not like we're gonna gain crazy amounts, but so hopefully it's not too bad. It should be pretty easy going compared to what we're used to going up in the valley when we go up. What's that other fire tower we went to?
Not much.
Yeah, in Hatlatch. That one was a steep, steep climb. Lots of elevation gain, but I don't think this one's gonna be anywhere near. And the other difference too is that this is also a ATV area, so I don't expect it to be very. I don't expect it to be very. I don't expect it to be very quiet, like quiet people-wise. I think this will be
Busy.
yeah, a busy area with lots of vehicular traffic.
All right, come along.
So we're up to 5,000. I can't read that because it's vibrating. 639 feet right now. Last weekend we went to Whistler just for an exploratory trip, and we were at 4,000, like 400 or something like that. But that was also a lot of elevation gain, considering we started at 135 meters. Or 135 meters, I don't know, it was 2,000 meters or something like that. So 100 and, I don't know, 135 meters. I couldn't even tell you what it is in feet, but we started pretty low considering we were right at the water by Squamish, and then we went all the way up. So it's a decent amount of elevation gain there, whereas this is very little elevation gain, but the overall picture is going to be higher. We're literally just around the corner from it now. We should be able to make this next hairpin turn, and then we'll be there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I could just. Oh, what?
Oh what? It makes sense that there'd be satellites up here too.
Uh, yeah. Would be. I guess we want to go this way. That looks like it goes to. Yeah.
So,
Keep going straight. Whoa, which way are we going to go? Left or right here? I think that is. We're going through mud. Like they're not mud tires. We're getting those next. In a camera. What's going where that is like? And then left. No. Right.
right. That does not look like it goes anywhere.
I see something up there. No, because that goes right. No, that's right. All right, we made it. It was actually pretty bumpy going up the last little bit. I don't know how else to really explain it other than the fact that it looked like it was it's more of an ATV trail almost, or dirt bike trail, than it is a motorbike or a 4x4, but it's not too bad. We made it up here, no problem. But oh my God, you have to see this. First of all, there's a fire tower maintained by the Four-Wheel Drive Association. Looks like I can see a placard on there. Weather today has been absolutely gorgeous. It is 19 degrees up here, according to the Jeep, and actually a little bit windy, and I guess very windy. I guess we'll see how my little windsock and this stupid little thing does. I'm using the medium auto. I don't know how well this mic thing works. Wow. Whoa. This is not as nice as the Hatlatch one.
But there's a book.
It's actually insane how windy it is. You can like... There's a little map up here. Lots of graffiti. A little wood oven, and I guess a bed. If you're coming up here and you get stuck, you could sleep on this. I wouldn't sleep on it. Yeah, but it's an emergency shelter too. So if it's like snowing, gets too windy, and you get stuck, you got a place to sleep.
I want to find a spot that's empty. There's like, but it's like the whole thing is like. Why are you all the way down there? Come up here. No, I'm talking to the dog.
So is this cool or what to knock off another one of our fire tower locations to go visit?
Yes.
We have so many more to go to, and there's a whole bunch in northern BC that we may not get to for a long time because they're just so far away.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. 10-10. On the road.
Right beside you?
Right beside you.
We're going downhill, by the way. GoPro takes that away.
so he doesn't fly.
Up there is where the fire lookout is. We were just up there a little while ago, but that's where we came from.
Did you see it?
Aww.
Yeah, she saw it.
Yeah. His ass is full of shit. It's gotta be so fucking gross feeling.
Oh, there's more.
Where?
Maybe this one's actually on his side?
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
I would say hopefully they're not in the middle of the road because we need to go. So that's something interesting that you don't see in our neck of the woods is
Maybe that one is.
cows. You don't. There's usually bears, but not cows.
So small.
Yeah.
There are some on this side. He sees them.
Right there.
Oh my God. Are those cow friends?
Oh, it's branded.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming here. Hi, cow. Oh, now they're scared. It's
Wait,
okay.
what is it? It's a cow. Did you see the cow? Hi, cow friends. Cow friends. Look, stop.
Why? What if they get mad and charge us?
They won't charge us.
We're always gonna bork and then.
It's so cute. I feel like this is like Rory and the cow, like, you know. This is his. If Rory was a cow, he'd be that cow.
Yeah. He's so interested too.
Do you like them? He's a cow friend. What are they doing? That's it? You done? You don't play anymore?
Should I back up or go forward?
Maybe back up and give him another second just stare at them.
$5,273 feet. There's our campsite, Pasca Lake Rec Site.
Every weekend you're gonna have
Yeah. Yeah, because we'll take weekends off to come do this shit. Alright, so it's 6:22. We found our spot for the night. This nice little campsite. This is our camping setup since we haven't shown anybody yet. Sleep in the back of the Jeep. And then we got these chairs recently. Rory, say hi. And here's the lake. And Leslie's about to start cooking dinner soon. We're gonna sit for a little bit. Yeah, Leslie is.
Let's just close your eyes for a second. And just chill.
And that's it for now.